Here we have a beautiful 2004 Harley Davidson Road King Custom. This beautiful 04 motorcycle in vivid black features an 88 cubic inch V-twin engine, 5-speed transmission. This bike has a custom alligator seat on it with memory foam. The Road King Custom features sleek Harley leather wrapped saddlebags. Good look at that performance exhaust. Detachable backrest and rack. Pullback bars, chrome controls, braided cables. This bike is super clean. Good look at them adjustable highway pegs. Chrome Harley Davidson front end. Nacelle with sport visor. Detachable Lexan windshield. This bike represents one of the many pre-owned bikes we have in stock and ready for immediate delivery. All motorcycles go through a vigorous safety inspection and are fully serviced. We take anything on trade: cars, trucks, dirt bikes, imports, you name it, we take it. Check out this bike and many more at TampaHarley.com.